Okay, so Jennifer's had an issue where the lift gate kind of doesn't hold, doesn't stay, and it was leaking when she was out on a few jobs. So we've got the fill port open. So we're gonna put hydraulic oil in, and we're gonna bleed the system. We're pretty certain that these lines are a wee bit tired. So
yeah, they look a little dry rotted.
Just a bit. So we're gonna check the hydraulic lines. Well, she's just really one. Yeah, it's only just one because it just goes in and out. So I am very sure that it's leaking here because you can see how dirt crusted it is, but we just want to verify, and then we just take that line over to the hose man and we get that done. Okay, so we're up and running. I've got oil in there. Let me flip the lever here, pull that up. Hold up. Whoop, too far. Okay, and see, it keeps dropping. It's supposed to stay put. But I'm not too worried about that. I'm worried about it leaking. But it isn't leaking out of the drain, so I think we need to actuate this a couple times and just watch it do its thing. Let's put a little more oil in. Do you want to like make it go up and down and I'll just ride it?
Might break.
No, Burnsy and I rode it together last time.
Right, how do I operate this?
Hold on, I don't
know how this works.
Hold on, I'm putting oil in. Alright, let's get the oil filled. So Xander's my test dummy. And look what's staying. So we thought we had a massive leak because it was leaking oil. But now it doesn't want to leak a drop. It also wasn't staying put. It's now staying put. So I'm gonna bring it down. Other way, other down. And look, it stops where you want it. As opposed to just bleeding off pressure.
Yeah.
Because in here, grab the light here for a second. There is, oh, it's so tough to see it. There it is. You see that little tit with the screw? That is the adjustment for the pressure release. So, that was adjusted so high that when it was just sitting, when this was up like this, it was actually releasing pressure. So, we kind of solved that issue. So I filled it up back with oil. Of course, we had to clean up this little spilly mess. But it seems pretty good otherwise. We thought it would be leaking along here somewhere. This hose is seeing better days, but it doesn't seem too much pressure, so I think we might be okay. I mean, we're definitely leaking a little bit of the seal here on the ram. Might want to get that rebuilt at something. So, all good though. That seems to be working good. So we're gonna run up and down a few more times, kind of bleed the system, we'll top it off. I think this actually got done quicker and easier than we originally thought.
Yeah.
That's good.